Hey everyone, this is Nicole and Alan.
Hi there.
And we work at darngoodyarn.com. And today this video is all about our 5-yard sampler card sets that we have. So this idea actually came to me while I was in the shower one day. You know, we're a small business, so product creation happens in the most weird ways. But I was working with a lot of mixed media artists,
right.
And they were like, oh, you know, I love your ribbons and I love your yarns, but I don't need that much of them. I just need a little bit. And like jewelry artists were saying the same thing. So I said, man, well, instead of having a whole skein of, say, sari ribbon where they don't need like 43 yards of it, why don't we just do a little 5-yard sampler card? So this is what this is all about. So if you are into mixed media or you want to just have really short little lengths of the ribbon, this is perfect for you. We have our yarn, which is our Luxe Adventure, this like the colors in this. This is a recycled silk. Yeah. And it's hand spun. So this is one of the cards that you can get. We have our famous t-shirt yarn. So, and we have some patterns for this on the site as well. If you just go onto darngoodyarn.com, you'll find our patterns there. And then we also have different versions of our sari ribbon in different colorways. So you can see like they have different flavors. Like this is more of like fall colors, and this is more, I don't know, what do you think, of mulberry patch?
This is really good for making your gauge too, because
yes.
A lot of people don't want to mess with it if they have a smaller amount of yarn.
Right.
They don't want to waste it. They don't want to fiddle with it. But if you're making a gauge, or if you've got like a stitch Bible, and you're trying out a new thing and you're making like a swatch.
Yes, I've done that.
This is perfect.
It is.
Because it's just the right size. You don't have to go and wait. If you decide you don't like it, well, that's it.
Cool. And the other thing too with the ribbon is, like, I know there's so many people that just like to use it for arts and crafts and wrapping presents as well. So that's again another use for this. So again, you're not having to invest in a large skein of one color. You're getting a couple of different colors. So it's a really great value as well. So yeah, just wanted to show you this so you can see what's going on. If you all have any questions, as always, reach out to us at info@darngoodyarn.com. We're here to help you. And otherwise, we'll talk to you later. Bye.
Bye.